This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making stir-fry pork with mushrooms. I have here 350 grams of lean pork. Slice the pork up into about a quarter to half a cm thick slices. Now, let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. Roughly chop up 2 cloves of garlic. One piece of firm tofu or Tao Kua. Remove the stems of the shiitake mushrooms. You can use dry mushrooms here instead. Just soak them in water for about 30 minutes. But retain the water you used to soak the mushrooms, because we'll use that later. Also cut up a medium carrot, that's about 100 grams. In a pan over medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now, fry the garlic till it's fragrant. Add the rest of the vegetables, that's the firm Tao Kua, the shiitake mushrooms, and the carrots. Fry them for about 2 minutes. Now add the pork. When you are poking around, be careful not to break up the tofu. I think I need a little more oil here. Fry it till most of the pork has turned white. Add in the seasoning. That's 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, and 50 ml of water. If you are using the dry mushrooms, you can use the water from the soaking of the mushrooms here. This will give it even more flavour. Bring this to a boil. Let it simmer till most of the liquid has been absorbed. That's about 2 to 3 minutes. Now taste and adjust for seasoning. Next, pour in the cornstarch slurry. You make this by combining 1 teaspoon of corn flour to 2 tablespoons of water. Finish the dish with a splash of sesame oil. This is stir-fry pork with mushrooms.